Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Can you tell me the info real quick? All right, so this is Diego's build. Tell us what's in here. Go ahead, man.
I got 12 18 CB5s in a 6-holder, 101, and I got 4 12Ks net bones on it. Currently, it's just playing 9 subs right now because I blew 3 of them and not working.
Which subs are actually not playing?
The third line.
Okay.
Yeah, the third line.
Got
in
it.
the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not working.
Nice. It still sounds really amazing for the amount of cone area space you put in. Did y'all build this alone, or did you have somebody do this?
Yeah, I built myself. My
Nice job.
helped me with it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you know what tuning is in the back here?
It's 18 hertz in the back and 36 in the front.
36 hertz. Okay. Wow. How did your bass response change taking out the seats?
I like it better because it's a little bit windier.
Windier?
But when I put the seats on it, it plays lower. Actually, I can play 10 hertz.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So less cabin space for pressure. Got it. Wow. So did you blow your windshield out last year and you put this in, or what?
No, it has been there for a while.
Okay.
Because I keep breaking the doors and everything, so I just have to bolt it.
Yeah.
And I put it one each, and I have plexiglass on it.
Man, that's wild. Awesome. Ooh. Can I see it? Oh, your alternators too. Yeah. How much lithium do you have?
I got 295.
Okay. 295. Go ahead. All right, Diego.
All right.
Yeah, good to see you again. Wow. Thank you, man. Dude, you're pulling snot out my nose on the lowest. It's kind of crazy. It wiggles it. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Yeah. Well, I appreciate the demo, man.
Thank you. No problem.
All right, Diego.
All right.
Yeah, good to see you again. Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.